Good morning, our students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Our students, today I shall solve exercise 10D objective questions of chapter 10 Profit and Loss. Exercise 10D objective questions. Question number 1. Rajan buys a toy. Rajan buys a toy 4 rupees 75. 4 rupees 75 and sells it 4 rupees 100. It is basic question given here with 75. 75 is CP. CP equal to rupees 75 and sells it for rupees 100. So rupees 100 is selling price. SP equal to rupees 100. CP less than SP. So gain. Given also his gain percent. So gain equal to SP minus CP equal to rupees 100 minus rupees 75 equal to rupees 25. 100 minus 75 equal to 25. Therefore, gain percent we have to find gain percent. So gain percent equal to gain into 100 by CP equal to gain into 100 by CP. So 25 into 100 by CP is 75. 25 3 ja 75 and 100 by 3%. Means 100 by 3% means 33 or 1 by 3% answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 5. On selling an article at a certain price, a man gains 10%. On selling an article at a certain price, a man gains 10%. On selling the same article at double the price, gain percent is. So let the CP be rupees X. CP of an article is CP of a certain article. CP of an article is rupees X. Gain 10%. So SP equal to CP into 100 plus gain percent. SP equal to CP into 100 plus gain percent by 100. So equal to CP X into 100 plus 10, 110 by 100. Cancel 0 to 0 equal to rupees 11x by 10. Now, question is saying that on selling the same article at double the price, so new SP, new selling price equal to 2 into 11x by 10, 2 5 जा 10 equal to rupees 11x by 5. Now gain equal to SP minus CP equal to rupees 11x by 5 minus rupees x. So LCM 5, 11x minus 5x equal to rupees 6x by 5. Now gain percent. Gain percentage, gain into 100 by CP. So gain 6x by 5, 6x by 5 into 100 by CP is x. X to x cancel. 25 the 100. Equal to 26 ja 100, 20% answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 7. If the selling price of 10 pence, if the selling price of 10 pence is the same as the cost price of 12 pence, if the selling price of 10 pence is the same as the cost price of 12 pence, then gain percentage. Here in last selling cost price and first is selling price. So last is cost price. So suppose let cost price in last cost price. So let CP of 1 pen be rupees x. CP of 1 pen be rupees x. Therefore CP of 10 pen CP of 10 pens equal to rupees 10x. CP of 12 pens equal to rupees 12x. CP of 10 pens 10x, CP of 12 pens 12x. In question, 10 pen, selling price of 10 pen, according to question, SP of 10 pens equal to CP of 12 pence. So equal to CP of 12 pence equal to rupees 12x. So CP of 10 pence 10x and SP of 10 pence equal to 12x. So CP of 10 pence 10x, SP of 10 pence rupees 12x. CP less than SP. So gain equal to SP minus CP equal to 12x minus 10x equal to rupees 2x. Now find gain percent. Gain into 100. So 2x into 100 by CP. CP is 10x. So x to x, 0 to 0, 10 to the 20%. Understand and write it. Students, Next question is question number 10. Oranges are bought at 5 4 rupees 10. Oranges are bought at 5 4 rupees 10 and sold at 6 4 rupees 15. His gain percentage. Here number of bought orange 5 and number of selling orange is 6. So find LCM of 5 and 6. 5 is voting number and 6 is selling number. So 5 and buying number, 5 is buying number and 6 is selling number. So 5 buying number and selling number, LCM of buying number and selling number. So LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. Now find CP and SP of 30 orange. So since CP of 5 orange equal to rupees 10. Therefore, CP of 1 orange equal to rupees 10 by 5. Therefore, CP of 30 orange 10 by 5 into 30. 5 to the 10 equal to 30 to the 60. Rupees 60. Now since SP of 6 orange SP of 6 orange equal to rupees 15. Therefore, SP of direct 30 orange 15 by 6 into 30. 6 5 the 30 equal to 15 5 the 75. So CP is rupees 60 and SP is rupees 75. CP less than SP. So gain equal to SP minus CP equal to rupees 75 minus rupees 60 equal to rupees 15. Therefore, gain percent into 100. So 15 into 100 by CP equal to 60. 15 for the 60 and 25 for the 100 equal to 25% answer. Now homework is solve exercise 10D question 1 to 10. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 10D question number 1 to 10.